An annual cosmic light show is hitting its peak tonight and tomorrow night. The Perseid Meteor Shower is considered the best this time of year, according to NASA. The spectacle of flickering light draws an audience each year, especially in the northern hemisphere.
I remember it like it was yesterday. We were going out to catch our first meteor shower, and I wanted to make the trip special. All we needed was the playlist I put together and the dirt roads ahead. Life takes unexpected turns, but sometimes in your favor. The adventures blend together over the years, but the music always takes me right back to the magic moments we've shared.
Oh, I caught her dancing slowly, a beautiful sight.
And it reminds me to cherish the good,
the
bad, the sights, and the sounds. Because the lyrics we write today will become the soundtrack of our tomorrow.
And oh my darling, let the waves crash over me.